Charlie. Let's go potty. Come on. Let's go potty. Come on. Let's go potty. Come on. Let's go. No. Let's go. Charlie, let's go potty. Come on. Let's go potty. No. Come on. Let's go potty. No, no, no. Charlie, come on. Go potty. Come on. Let's go potty. No, come on. Charlie, come on. You gotta go potty. No. Charles. You can't hide under the table. There you go. Come on. No, we're going outside. Come on. Come on. Outside, go potty. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. No. No. Hey. Charlie. No griping. No spitting at mom. Charles. Seriously, Charlie. You have to go potty. Come on. You want me to just chase you over the house? Come on. Charles. Come on. Charles. Come on. Come on. You get something after you go potty outside. Come on. You know what to do. No. Gracie, stop it. Charlie. No hiding under the table, Charles. Come on, let's go outside. Come on. Charles, you have to go outside. Gracie, Gracie. Come on, let's go outside. Charles, you can't hide under the table. You need to go potty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Charles, you need to go potty outside. I know. Now let's go potty. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. That's a good boy, Charles. Come on, you're almost there. Let's go potty. Charles. Come on. Let's go potty. Really? Charles? Really? Why can't we just go outside and go potty? Why can't you be your good boy and go outside and go potty?